Good morning, this is Roger Martinez and welcome to the Daily Real Estate Network's video blog. Listen, we have properties, as you see down below, from 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 on up, whatever your price range. What we need to know from you is how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and what area you'd like to live in. That way we can begin sending you links to the properties. Our broker Rafael Renderos and the president Brock Butcher. Picture from the Angels, by all means. I tell you, Google that. Have some fun with it, all you baseball fans. And these guys are going to literally take you to the properties, and we're going to meet with you in person. So, again, be sure to watch the other clips down below. And thank you for coming back this Tuesday. And I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. And again, you have our number. It's above and below. You have our email addresses. You can browse our websites. But the bottom line is, whatever it is that you need, we have a full team here that's prepared to help you move into a home. If you're renting, by all means, get yourself some equity in a property. If you have a property and maybe your kids are leaving for college or university, you want to sell and downsize, we can do that. We have many different elements here to help you. So thank you for coming back again today and watching. We'll have more valuable information for you tomorrow. Today's market industry news is just below, so we'll look forward to talking to you soon.